Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video to the Patagon's mobile gameplay test in the OnePlus Nord 2 device, which is FPS drop test. Yes friends, finally this is a question which a lot of users are asking me. Can you please do the HDR plus extreme drop test in the OnePlus Nord 2? So I thought of making a video on this particular topic. So during this time of testing, I'll try to use the high performance mode. As you can see, I did turn on the high performance mode. That is another recommendation which few of the users they also mentioned. Please try to use high performance mode during this kind of drop test. So let me try to open the Patagon's mobile at this point. Let's see if it's using the high performance mode, and even if possible, let me try to use the pro gaming mode as well. As you can see, pro gaming mode also is on in this phone. So using the high performance mode and using the pro gamer mode, let's do the drop test using the HDR and extreme settings in the OnePlus Nord 2. So we'll be able to get to know how is the FPS is maintaining in this phone. So right now let me try to use the HDR and extreme. As you can see friends, right now I did select the HDR and extreme settings only during this processor demonstration. So I'm trying to use the high performance mode and I'm trying to use the pro gamer mode as well. Let's see using these both modes how well the phone will be able to handle this kind of graphics settings. That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate. So previously I did do the 90 FPS gameplay test in this phone, but I did not do the HDR plus extreme settings drop test in this OnePlus Nord 2. So this is going to be really interesting friends, because high performance mode and the pro gamer mode. Right now the FPS, let's see how much it will be dropping during the boot camp drop test. I'll try to do the multiple times, so just to give the clear idea what is going on with the HDR and extreme settings. Right now we can see the FPS of close to 59, 58 we are getting. Let's say I'll try to do the couple of times drop test, and then I'll try to end up this video. I don't want to make this video a very lengthy one, because most of the people that did ask me to keep the video very short. That is the reason. So let's do the exact drop test in the boot camp. So here we go friends, the boot camp is coming, and let's see using the HDR and extreme settings, and this is my first time doing this kind of testing. So how much the FPS will be dropped, let's see what's going to happen. And you can observe the CPU and the GPU utilization, how much it kind of utilizing during this time of testing using the HDR and extreme settings. So it's kind of utilizing not much, it's only utilizing I think close to 29%, 41%, and FPS is dropping to 59%. Sorry, 59 FPS, not 55. The lowest we see is for 55, as you can see exactly. Wow. So 55 FPS is the lowest one we saw just now. FPS, as you can see friends, exactly what is happening. Not bad. $59 it was right now. It's maintaining 59 consistently. As you can see friends, exactly it's maintaining 60. It was able to maintain exact consistent FPS, not an issue after the drop. So let me do the FPS drop test next time. So let's see if in second time. So right now I'll try to end up this video. So just doing the 2 times of FPS drop test in the boot camp using the HDR and extreme settings. I just want to take an average into consideration. So in the first test we did see that 55 FPS of the lowest we did record. So let's see what happens this time. So how much the phone will be able to record what FPS. So 59, and the utilization you can see the CPU and the GPU 55. So even this time the lowest we did see about 55 FPS, not bad. So 55 and 57 we did see. As you can see friends, exactly 58 we are getting. Overall we are seeing close to 55 FPS at this moment of testing, as you can see exactly friends. And thank you for watching this video friends. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below what are other testings you want me to do on this OnePlus Nord 2. Definitely I'll try to do those kind of videos as soon as possible for you all. So see you in the next video friends. I'll stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.